Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to another Facts Gaming video. Sorry about my shadow. Today we're on my new workbench. This nice wooden thing. And we have a parcel to unbox. As you can see on that label there, it says it cost $15 shipping. $15.35 shipping. It was Australia Post. And for privacy reasons, I've scribbled down the address. But still, this cost $15 for the shipper to ship. This was a bid on eBay. It was titled as a GTX 580 with a HDMI adapter. So let's rip into the packaging and find out what's inside. Okay, let us rip open into it. Don't think we need the Stanley knife. Let's rip into this packaging. This is where we need the Stanley knife. Always, if you're a kid, be careful. Always use a Stanley knife because it is sharp. Use it with adult supervision. As I am an adult, I can do that. So, opening it up, there's a insulation. Now I need to buy a bench vac. So let's pull that out. Here we go. Let's make sure there's none of my information on it. Seems to be fine. Anything in the box? Just a ton of cladding in there, whatever it is. Insulation. Nah. Chuck that to the side. Absolutely disgusting. Let's get this unboxed. Oh, this stuff stinks. Absolutely. Very well packaged, may I add. Get those out. These people. I can just drop down. Unwrap all this. Wow, even better there. Oh, look at that, GTX 580. Just take her out. Up. There you go. Mini HDMI. So, the reason why is because, if you can see on the card, there is a, get in the focus camera, there's a mini HDMI port. So, this theoretically should, there you go, plug into there. This card I do believe is SLI compatible. There you go, my first ever graphics card that requires some power. The lower type fan, as you can see, the 3D Vision Surround, Physics X, and CUDA. It's an Inno 3D, which is a registered trademark. On the fan even says it seems to be fairly clean, but it doesn't seem too clean. You can see there. Okay, now if I can get the light on the camera to turn off, you can see it was made in 2010. And this is a GTX 580 dual DVR HDMI GDDR5 1536 megabytes PCI Express, so PCIe. And the back doesn't look too bad. You can see there, it says warranty void since 2010. This was made a 2010 card. I believe it might be SLI compatible as well due to that, but look at this. This is the piece of any video card I've ever seen. I'm used to little ones. I've got a slimline GTX 1050 in my gaming computer. Mind you, the motherboard died in the gaming computer, so I'm getting a warranty claim. Check out a video when I get the warranty claim back. But anyway, this, so no wonder the package was, 1.5 kilos? So anyway, let me put it back in. Now, I forgot to mention, it's got dual DVI and mini HDMI. It has got substantial dual bay slots. Very careful putting it back in. Like that. This will be very useful, so I'll just chuck it on. Oh, what do you reckon, guys? GTX 580. I'm going to move this packaging out of the way. GTX 580 off eBay from an auction, which I got a couple of days ago, for $46, free shipping. How much it cost the seller? $15. $35. Australian dollars. I don't know what that is in US dollars. If any of you viewers are from the US, you can tell me. Or you can just go on a Google search. Yeah, Google's a good thing. But stay tuned for a video about this in a computer. I'll hopeful to put it in my original gaming computer. So stay tuned for that video when I get time to make it. This has been another MoFX gaming video. Comment down below. Do you think I got a good deal with this, or do you think I got scammed? It was advertised as working, so in the next video on this, I will show you if it works at all. So guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe, support the channel in any way you can. Put it on your Instagram, just put a shout out to us. We do not have Instagram. No. We do not have Instagram or Facebook yet. Might be getting Facebook soon, but never mind about that. Like, comment, subscribe, support the channel anyway by giving us more subscribers and the view hours, because YouTube requires us 4,000 view hours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.